Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup from a packet. First, gather your packet, a small pot, and about 1 cup of water. This quick guide will help you create a warm, savory bowl in just a few minutes. It's perfect for a light lunch or a comforting side dish. We'll cover everything from preparation to serving, ensuring a delicious result every time. Let's get started on this simple and satisfying recipe. Now let's prepare our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of instant miso soup and approximately 200 milliliters of water. Pour the water into your small pot and then add the contents of the miso soup packet. Stir gently to help the miso paste and any dried ingredients begin to dissolve. This initial step ensures everything mixes well for a smooth, flavorful broth. It's super easy. Next, place your pot on the stove over medium heat. Gently warm the soup, stirring occasionally until it's hot, but be careful not to let it boil. Boiling can diminish the delicate flavors of the miso. Once it's perfectly heated, carefully pour your delicious miso soup into a bowl. It's now ready to enjoy. This simple process ensures a rich and aromatic experience. You can easily customize your miso soup. Try adding small cubes of soft tofu, a sprinkle of chopped green onions, or a few rehydrated seaweed pieces for extra texture and flavor. Miso soup is not only delicious, but also a comforting and light option, perfect for any time of day. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a warm, savory meal with minimal effort. For more great finds, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other amazing deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.